What's happening, good people? How tasty was that other drink that Owen just made right now? That G, 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 and T. It's naughty how he just signs off the TEA in there. But hey, let's throw that away. Let me take you guys somewhere a bit more out there. A bit more refreshing, a bit more longer, a bit more nicer, and a bit more cooler. Right? Because that's what I want to do. I want to take us on a little journey. What I want to make for us is a grapefruit ginger fizz. Easy, GG Fizz. So what you're going to need is you're going to need this MCC. What we're doing is we're changing our MCC and we're putting this JC LaRue. They've got these really beautiful RTDs, beautiful flavor, and they also, this has a bit of that rosé tinge to it. So just going to open up your spirit and take it on a different journey. So what we need with this is 50 of our Gordons. When you say 50 is making sure it's all the way to the top, no meniscus, nothing left, and no nail underneath there, right? Clean. So we've got that in there. What I did is I've made a lovely grapefruit and ginger syrup, and I'm going to show you how to make one now. So grapefruit and ginger syrup, which I've already made. So I'm going to take my simple syrup that you get in your box. You know, it's how it comes. Take my simple syrup, get it in my jar. Something that you can put on fire. I just want to keep it going, keep it nice and clean. I'm going to take my ginger and grapefruit. Ooh. I'm going to take 2 of them. And all I'm actually doing now is I'm just making a syrup infusion. So I got dehydrated grapefruit, got dehydrated ginger, drop that in there, and get this bad boy on. Let that heat. And while that's heating, let's carry on with the next, with what we need next. So now what we have in here now is we've got our gin, we've got our syrup in here. Now we need our citrus. Right? So we stop this because it's been going. Mix it up there a bit. So I'm not going to use that now. I'm going to let that chill for later. But then either what you do, decant it back in there, take out, fine strain it, you're nice and clean, and you got an infused flavored syrup, you're good to go. Our glasses, you're looking at these two. If you got your champagne glass at home, your flutes, use your flute. It's beautiful. You got a coupe, lovely. It opens it up a bit more. Now we've got what? I've got my citrus in there, got my syrup, got my gin. Gonna get my ice. And one thing I never do is hold back on my ice. Because the whole thing is, if I'm gonna make a good drink, I need to make sure that my drink is chilled, right? Lovely fine strain, and then JC LaRue. Top it up and it tells you a beautiful journey, right? Gave you some rosemary in here. With that rosemary, take it. We're gonna find a peg. Drop it on the side. And there, I'm giving you a ginger grapefruit fizz. Happy days. I'm gonna have this one. I'll see you in a bit. Lekker! Okay, let's put it away. Clean.